Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's talk about this few information from Chelsea camp. Some are transfer news, some are our current players. And before we move on, guys, please hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. And let's start with the first one, guys. Now, officially, Chelsea completed the signing of these two young players, Dario Osugo, and Giovanni Quinda. All these two players are from Sporting. Chelsea signed them from Sporting. And Dario Osugo is 20 years of age. Yes. And Giovanni Quinda is 19 years of age. But Osugo will join Chelsea this season in the summer 2025. And Quinda will join Chelsea next season 2026 in the summer. And from Fabrizio, these players combined, their fee is 74 million. Let's say 70 million plus. Dario Osugo and Giovanni Quinda, their fee combined is 74 million. Yes, Chelsea pay for them. Even Sporting also confirmed it officially from their website. Yes, they came out with a letter, yes, indicating the price or the amount Chelsea pay for each player. Dario Osugo and Giovanni Quinda. Guys, let's talk about these signings. Charlie, these guys, I watched their short videos, I watched their profile, I like them. They have the potential. Especially when you look at Osugo, he just looks like Moses Caicedo. Yes, I can see better Moses Caicedo replacement in the future. And Quinda also a winger. Yes, he's good on the ball. They are not bad players, I'm telling you. And no team will survive without having young players. You need young players for the future. Yes, forget. You need them. But guys, for me, I will be more happy if Chelsea can use this 70 million, maybe sign as a striker. Yes, complete the signing of a striker for now with that 70 million. So that when the transfer window opens, that striker will just join Chelsea straight. I will be happy Chelsea do it that way. Yes, the 70 million we are spending on these young guys, we don't need for now. Because these guys like Osugo, when he joined Chelsea this season, who is he going to bench, guys? Caicedo or Lavia or Enzo Fernandez in the midfield. That is the issue. Next season, Santos will be joining. So for me, I think we don't need them for now. They are good. I like the signing. But it's good that we should go ahead and tackle the major problems. Solve them first before come and then do this kind of signings. Yes, as we all knew that we don't have a striker. We don't have center backs. Yes, experienced center back. Even the midfield, we need more experienced players. Yes, for our wingers, they can score. Apart from Cole Palmer, our front line, who can you see and just point that this player, no matter how the situation, when Chelsea is playing, for him, don't give him the little chance. He's going to score. All our front line, all our attackers. Can you point any play like that? No, apart from Cole Palmer. So for me, I think we still need a lot of signings, not just signings, experienced players. Because I don't think over the past 3 years, a team signed players more than Chelsea. But those players they are signing, they are not first team players. So for me, I will be happy if Chelsea can use the 70 million, let's say, to go and sign Osimhen, let's say, to go and sign Victor Gyökeres, let's say, to go and sign Benjamin Sesko, waiting for the window to open, so that player will just join Chelsea straightforward. Because I'm telling you, see, when the window opens, things will be tough. See, Manchester United, they want a striker. Arsenal, they want a striker. Chelsea also want a striker. And this Benjamin Sesko, Osimhen, and co, the same players all of us want. So why not we started the transfer now? Yes, less noise, everything, make it private, and then go ahead and sign these strikers. But I'm telling you, even if Chelsea is going to sign a striker, Chelsea is going to sign as Delap because his wages is down. For him, they can pay his wages. And Delap also, he is a young player. Yes, he will be running, chasing to come to Chelsea. Forget. But you see, Osimhen, Sesko, it will take Chelsea a lot of things to do before we can sign them. And these are the strikers we want to, not another young player who will come and try up things, try to adjust. No, 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 no. So, guys, these are the young players Chelsea signed. Official confirmed Dario Osugo and Giovanni Coenda. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this signing. Yes. And please, before we move on, please just remind you again, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach wider audience. And let's come to Cole Palmer. In fact, guys, Cole Palmer to have a second scan again. Chelsea want him to return. Yes, during our Spurs game, our game against Spurs. So Chelsea is doing everything to make Cole Palmer fit. Yes, to bring Cole Palmer back to his fitness so that he can play against Spurs. And that is good. That is good because, Charlie, this is the right time we need Cole Palmer. So even if Cole Palmer will go injured, no, not this time. This is the right time. Even if we can get 5 Cole Palmers, we should pay any amount of money to get 5 Cole Palmers in our team because top 4 is guaranteed. We must make top 4. Chelsea must get top 4, no matter how the situation, whether raining or shining. See, whatever, Chelsea must make top 4 this season because I can't see my Chelsea again another season going in for with their Champions League football. No. This season, watching Champions League games with Arsenal and Barcelona and co. See, it is like the pains in my body cannot be compared, uncomparable. So I can't see my Chelsea with that Champions League football. So Cole Palmer, please help us become fit. Please come and help us. And Jackson will return automatically. April, Jackson will return. So guys, Chelsea is doing whatever they can do. Cole Palmer to have a second scan to return and play against Spurs. And the rest of the games, I think we have 9 games to play. Eh? We still have Manchester United to play. We still have Nottingham Forest to play. We still have Spurs, Brentford, Ipswich Town. This Ipswich Town, I want us to beat them. Give it to them at least 4-0. Yes. The 3 points they collected the first league up to now is still paining me. I'm telling you. No. We have to go on hard revenge. I'm telling you. At least 3-0 or 4-0 on Ipswich. I think, no, it will be their home. No matter how the situation. No. We have to go to their home and beat them. Give it to them. And collect the 3 points and qualify for top 4 or qualify for the 4th. Yes, I know there is a 5th. Yes, 5th spot in the Premier League. If any team finish 5th, that team is playing Champions League football in the Premier League this season. But no, we don't want that. We want top 4. We want top 4. So guys, Cole Palmer to have a second scan, yes, for his muscular injury because Chelsea want him to return. And let me hear from you under the comment section also about this Cole Palmer injury crisis. I can say Maresca is part of the reason of this Cole Palmer injury. He will never rest Cole Palmer. As if Cole Palmer is a robot. Let's pray. You see Cucurella and Caicedo. For them, the day that any of them will get injury, I'm telling you, wait and wait. Because they are our current Chelsea. For them, every day they are playing. Even like some small games they will play. But let's hope, let's pray that they stay injury-free forever and ever. If not that, it is going to affect Chelsea. And let's go to the next topic, guys. Jadon Sancho. In fact, Chelsea want to send Sancho back to Manchester United. And information came out that Ruben Amorim may also consider Jadon Sancho's future. If Sancho returns to Manchester United in the summer, Amorim will see their current manager. He will see whether Sancho will be part of his plans or not, or whether he can add Sancho to his plans or not. And if Amorim will add Sancho to his plans, Chelsea may pay the fee to go out from the obligation to buy because it was obligation to buy. And that obligation has been met. And Chelsea want to return him or send him back to United. So guys, we are waiting to see whether Amorim will add Sancho to his plans or not. And just because of the wages, because I don't see Sancho ending 250,000. No. This owners, they will not do that. Maybe under Abramovich, yes. But this, even Cole Palmer is not ending 250. Even Caicedo, even, yes, Cucurella, yes. So I don't see Sancho ending 250. If Sancho will reduce his wages, I'm telling you, they will sign him. These owners, they can pay the 25 million fee to sign. But Sancho don't want to reduce the wages. And you know United, for them, they can pay. So, guys, that is the information or the latest information for Jadon Sancho transfer. Yes, his transfer saga. Let me hear from you under the comment section also. And let's come to Estevao Willians. Estevao Willians, the young talented player just signed from Palmeiras. The 17 years Estevao Willians. In fact, guys, rumors were saying that this guy may play for Chelsea in the upcoming FIFA Club tournament, the competition in the summer. Now, confirmed that he will play for Palmeiras. He's going to join Chelsea in the summer. Next season onwards, he's going to be playing for Chelsea. So, rumors were saying that he may play in the FIFA Club tournament or competition for Chelsea this summer. But now, official confirmed, he will play for Palmeiras. After that, he then joined Chelsea. Yes. And we are wishing him all the best. This guy, a lot is expecting from him. Maybe let's hope he come and perform for us because he's still young. But Charlie, the way the hype is on Estevao, let's who come and deliver. If not, just fans. Yes. I think we pay 60 million for him. Yes. So not even a small manager has to pay for him. Yes. So guys, that is the latest for Estevao Willians. He will not be playing the FIFA Club competition with Chelsea or for Chelsea. He will play it with Palmeiras, his parent team, his current team. Yes. And our two academy talented players has been called up for under 19. Yes. International duties. Jose Achampong and Troc George has been called up for under 19 duty, international duty for England. Yes, we are wishing them all the best. They go there and play and get the development, get the experience, and come back injury-free. All Chelsea players who went on international duty, we are praying that they go and play and return safely. Yes. I think Cucurella and co, Liverpool and co, Reece James and co, we are praying that they go play return because this is the right time we need everybody. Chelsea, this is the right time. All the players must be available. Even if Maresca can play this ending days, the way we want the top four, the way we want to qualify for the top four, even if Maresca as a boss can even go onto the pitch and deliver. No pro. And Maresca, his footballing days, he was good. I don't know why. Sometimes good players, when they turn to managers, so many problems. Maresca and Charlie, today we are not talking about Maresca. So guys, this our academy guys, our talented young players has been called up. Yes, international duty under 19 for England. Yes. And our legendary, the legendary N'Golo Kante, marry. Congratulations to him. And N'Golo Kante, he traveled to Mali. Yes, there they did the wedding. In fact, I like, look at the man he did the wedding. Yes, Ramadan, blessing man. In fact, N'Golo Kante eyes open. Yes, he makes sure that he marry during the blessing. Yes, month of Ramadan. That is good. That is the picture you are watching on the screen. Yes, I know it is not football related issue, but Charlie, N'Golo Kante, innocent soul. No. Nobody can hate N'Golo Kante. Look at the dressing. Simple dressing. It look like N'Golo Kante never earned $1 or £1. He's making everything simple. In fact, this is how poor Peking children should be living. Yes, this is like the character of poor Peking children. Yes, know where you come from. Know your status. Yes, know your home. Yes, don't go to the street or go up there trying to show as if you are Dangote first daughter or Dangote first son. No. It's not a shame to come from a poor home. Yes, when you came from a poor home, it is not your mistake. That is the family God chose for you. So now it's up to you to work hard for it. Change the destiny. And N'Golo Kante had a team in Belgium. He bought a team. Yes, he's investing his money very well. So many things. But when you look at him, as if, as I said, he never earned a dollar. Yes, he's making everything simple. In fact, I'm learning from N'Golo Kante. I want to be like N'Golo Kante, guys. Yes. So, guys, our legendary N'Golo Kante married successful. I don't know his wife name. I don't know. Even Sadio Mano's wife also, yes, deliver a bouncing baby. No, let's forget about this. So, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section on all what we discuss in this video. And please leave a comment all what we talk about in this video. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. Take care. Peace.